Hello and welcome to your first class of intermediate lessons. Today we're going to be working with three parts of speech that are nouns, adjectives, and verbs. So why are we starting with this big three? Because it is important that we know that we use them mostly for every single sentence that we use. So for us to begin, we're going to define each one. So nouns, you're going to see it here. Nouns are things, people, animals. They can be places, feelings, or ideas. So a noun, when you talk about a person or people, you can say baby, girl, boy, father, mother, neighbor. Anything that comes in the people area, those are nouns. Also, there are proper nouns. What are these? Proper nouns are names or titles. In this case, can be the queen, the king, the duke, your name, any name that you can think of. But it is important to differentiate that there are improper nouns and proper nouns. So improper, the boy, the kid, the baby. Proper, maybe the queen, Elizabeth, the teacher, Carla. Carla would be the proper noun. Make sense? So improper nouns and proper nouns. Then, when we have animals, any animal in this category is considered a noun. Any animal. Unless the name of a person or a thing or something is the name of an animal. For example, my dog's name is Lion. In this case, lion will be a proper noun, okay, because that's a name. But when we're talking about an animal, like the physical animal, that's an improper noun called and it's animal, okay? Then we have things. Things, anything that you can think of, that is a noun. Pencil, pen, computer, book, scissors, cell phone, anything can be a noun. Then we have places. This is a tricky one because sometimes we think that places means a country, a city, but no, it can also be the house, the hospital, school, all right? In this case, any place that you can think of would be a noun. Neighborhood, the church, park, any place that you can think of would be considered a noun. Then we have ideas or feelings. This is a tricky one also because when we think about ideas or feelings, what do we talk about? We're talking about the idea, when we talk the philosophical idea. So for example, if I say friendship, would you think it's a noun or is it an adjective? It's a noun if we use it like this. Friendship is really important for humanity, okay? Friendship is considered a noun because we're talking about it as a subject, okay? But if I say, oh, I love our friendship, is that a noun or is it an adjective? It is also a noun because we're talking that we love our friendship. The friendship that we have is a noun. Ideas and feelings can be also nouns. So let's talk about justice. Justice, it's very important in society. Justice, it's a noun because we're talking about it as a subject. Okay? So every noun will be considered a subject in our sentence. In Spanish, we say sujeto. Okay? O es sustantivo, noun, sustantivo, sujeto, subject. Okay? So let's see some examples of nouns. Let's put it in the screen. I'll put it here so you can see some examples, and they're gonna be highlighted, the ones that are nouns for animal and each one category that we've seen, so you have a clear idea. So the next challenge that you will have is to create sentences using nouns. So you're gonna use 5 nouns that are improper, and you can use 5 nouns that are proper. I will put some examples here. Improper nouns can be the cat is on the table. The noun is cat and table. Remember that anything that falls in the category is considered a noun. All right? So, the cat is on the table. The cat is our noun, is on the table. Table is another noun, a thing. Make sense? And now let's talk about a proper noun. The queen is very beautiful. Queen would be our proper noun. Okay? Beautiful is an adjective. Okay? We're going to get that into that in a second. So, nouns are people, things, animals, places, ideas, or feelings. Okay? Makes sense? And we can combine them. We can have different in the same sentence. Like I mentioned in the example, the cat is on the table. We can also say, we can mix proper and improper nouns. For example, the queen has a beautiful dog inside. The queen is a proper noun. A beautiful dog is an improper noun. And inside. Okay, so makes sense that we can combine them and we can use them in different sentences. Okay, so that would be our first lesson about nouns. Now, your homework would be to write 5 sentences using 5 improper nouns and 5 proper nouns. Make sense? And you can either upload them here into the platform or you can send them to me directly through WhatsApp. Okay, so that will be it for this short lesson. So I want you to remember that nouns can be used at any point at any sentence. Okay, so I hope that everything was clear. I hope these examples helped. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Okay, have a great day and see you in the next one.